Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to a new episode of Learn with Tin, the Determiner series. Are you confused yet? Just kidding. I really hope that you are not. Okay, we are going to continue to talk about determiners. I know you don't really like it. I don't either. Yeah, but if you would think about it, if you would really study it, you would soon realize that it's not that complicated. By the way, how are you? Fine? Okay, that's great. Have you gotten some relief goods from your algae use? Have you been exercising? Okay, make your days productive by doing something new. Maybe you can learn a new language. Maybe you can learn a new skill, read a book, right? Just try to learn something, improve yourself every day. Yeah, just a friendly reminder and a suggestion, I should say. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about what kind of determiner are we talking about today? It's called the interrogative determiner. Okay, our interrogative determiners are the words what, which, whose. So from the word interrogative, they are asking a question. Interrogative. Question. Asking a question. Okay, you already know this part. Pause if you are still not familiar with it and read it. Okay, let's talk about whose, what, which. Let's start with whose first. Okay, whose means belonging to a person. Belongs to a person. Okay, belonging to which person? Which person does this thing belong to? For example, they didn't know whose car it was. So who does that car belong to or belongs to? Next, what? Okay, what specifies something? What? Something. What? Car. What? House. What? You. What? Him. Okay. For example, what time did you arrive? Okay, so you would say or you would specify the time in this example because it asks for the time. You will specify, give the specific time. Maybe you can say, I arrived at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. 12 o'clock today. Okay. Next, which ask for information that would specify rather, one or more people, one or more things. Okay. For example, which table would you prefer? Okay. So you want that person to specify, be specific about it. Okay. Which table? Okay. Is it these tables? Those tables? This one over here or that one over there? Okay. I wonder which teacher told him that. So we are asking for a specific information about the person. Which teacher? The tall one, the short one, the terror one, or the kind one? All right. So here we have more examples. Whose iPad did you use? Whose car keys are these? So it means that who is the person who owns that iPad? Who is the person that owns that car keys rather? Okay. What stupid man told you that. Okay, what books did you read? So you are going to specify these things, especially your answer. You're going to give one specific answer. Same with which. Which red pen do you want? Is it the big red pen, the small red pen, the new red pen, or the old red pen? So there are a lot of specifications. Okay. So, like all determiners, okay, interrogative determiners come at the beginning of a noun phrase. Therefore, they come in front of any adjectives. If there will be adjectives in that sentence, you will see the interrogative determiner before it, okay? It's always at the beginning of a noun phrase, okay? Like here, whose iPhone? What idiot? Whose car keys? So we have the noun phrase. Whose iPhone? Whose car keys? What idiot? Idiot is an adjective, yeah? Or we can also refer to an idiot, refer to a person as an idiot. So therefore, this is a noun phrase. So on and so forth. You can pause this video, just read these examples. Okay, I'm sure you will get it pretty easily. Okay, so we have special things that we have to note. We have two special things here. Okay, number one, whose functions both as an interrogative and possessive. Like we already learned possessive pronoun, but don't think about that. Okay, just think whose is interrogative and possessive determiner. That's why we call it interrogative possessive determiner. This is its long name. Interrogative possessive determiner. Okay. No apostrophe. Okay, don't get it confused with who has or who is. Okay, it's not whose, although the sound is the same, they're not. So if you don't see an apostrophe, that's whose. We don't put apostrophe to our interrogative possessive determiner. If you see an apostrophe, that is not an interrogative possessive determiner. Okay? I hope this one is clear to you because this is the end. Thank you so much for joining me again. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, stay kind to one another, and see you again next time. Bye, everybody.